Like how we use the fonts from an external site or external API will also try using icons from an external API. Like fonts, it's just not Google that is providing fonts. There's like so many APIs and so many organizations that provide these fonts for free and for commercials too. Likewise, for icons, we have Google and many other brands. Now, Google is one popular for icons, and there's also something called Bootstrap, and there's many other APIs for that. Now, we'll see how to apply these Google icons. Now, if you just go to Google icons, let me try to add this login icon. So for that, Google says, take this and keep this in your head, not my head, in the HTML head tag. Okay, so this is done. So this is where Google your browser knows where to find the icon. And then Google also mentions use the CSS in your CSS file. Okay. After that, just copy this code. Now you could have a span class material symbols outlined, which is this style. So to introduce an icon like this, you have to have a span tag and mention this class name, whichever icon you need. This is called chevron left, expand less, and this is called login. Just mention it that here. So see the icon here. But did you notice it just took a fraction of a second to load this, maybe for the first time. So not think of your browser, think of the end user's browser. Now if I'm refreshing it again and again, it loads immediately. Let me try another icon. Just we'll try the checkbox. Okay, the checkbox is here. Why didn't we lose this? Okay. So there is a check and there is a box. Maybe this is not how it is intended to. Oh, okay. So I could see this. So this has to be without the spaces. Check underscore box. This is right. Okay, when you just say check space box, what happened was this check and a box icon. Couldn't find it out now. So that's what happened. I mean, you had a check icon and then a box icon. So this is the way you use any third-party API. All these third-party APIs will have these kind of documents. so that you could use their APIs and their resources. Now, again, Google is not the only API provider for fonts. Just want to look how, just want to see how the Stadia controller looks like. It looks cool. See, even it, right? This is nice. Let's see, another style could be applied. Just gonna see if size could be applied to it. So I say size class and font size is 35 pixel. I'm applying it here. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. So the sizes can't be changed of an icon. Not this way, but I think there is another way we could change it. The CSS that it asked to apply, I'm gonna make it 800. I'm gonna remove this class. It became bold. Did you notice? 400. It is not bold now. When I made it 800, it became bold. Let me make this 56. I believe these are all the font variation settings. Oh, the font size can't be increased. The grade, this grade can be changed. So that's what we saw here in grade. Optical size. Oh, so the size can't be changed, but you could make it more bold or less bold. Yeah, so that's what we saw here with the weight, but the size of the font, sorry, the icon itself can't be changed.